What's up guys, here we are in a new video. And this video I'm going to be highlighting some of the best iOS 16 features. So we got iOS 16 months ago and it's working great, but here are some of my favorite features so far. So the first thing I'm going to show you here is how to feel haptic feedback when typing on the keyboard. Go to settings, scroll to sound and haptics right here, scroll down to keyboard feedback, and then toggle on this one, haptic, toggle it on. So whenever you are typing, you are going to feel that haptic feedback. So that's just it. But if you want to turn it off, go back to settings and then toggle it off. Let's talk about the next feature. So the next thing I'm going to show you here is how to edit a text after sending it in iMessage. Tap on the text and then you have undo send, or if you want to edit it after making a mistake, you can make your edit, then that's just it. Or you can unsend the message, and that's just it. On to the next one. So the first thing you need to do is go to settings, scroll down to wallpaper right here, then you can choose this one, and there are a lot of things you can customize here according to the way you want it to be. There are different types of wallpapers, there are different types of icons you can select to show on your lock screen, so you get to select and customize your lock screen the way you want it to be. You can change the font, the color of the font, and all that. So I think this is amazing, because regarding this lock screen customization, the Android users have it already on their smartphones, so it's really amazing to have it on the iPhone too. On to the next feature. So the next thing we have here is with iOS 16, it will be able to identify duplicates in Photos app. So just go to Photos, go to Album, and then scroll down to Duplicates right here. So that means all the pictures here are duplicates and you can just select and delete all of them because you don't need duplicate pictures. So the next feature is amazing. This feature allows you to view or see your saved Wi-Fi passwords. Just go to settings, then right here, tap on this, and then you can view the Wi-Fi password. This is a new feature you can only get on iOS 16. Before, you are not able to view your Wi-Fi password, and that's just it. There's also this amazing feature. You can just lift an image subject from its background just by tapping on the subject for seconds. So not just these features I mentioned earlier, there are a lot of features that helps you use your iPhone more efficiently. But among all, these features I mentioned earlier are some of the best in my own opinion. So iOS 16 is really amazing. Make sure to go get that on your iPhone. And that's all for the video. Thanks for watching. Until then, I'm gonna meet you guys in the next one. Peace.